Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and please remember to subscribe and share the content with people who may need it. Did you say something? Did you say something about my hair? Ah, okay, because I know you should not ask women or mention or suggest that a woman's hair is messy. But anyways, my hair is over here living her best life as usual. Yeah, so I'm home and I decided to just leave her up, leave her in her twists, because I don't want to stress her out really. So the topic today is porosity. Porosity. Right. So as a child, I really enjoyed washing my hair because when the hair is wet, you see your curl patterns and it was so beautiful, and I was like, whoa, I have all these curls. But sadly, it did not last for long because the routine back then was wash, condition, shampoo, air dry, and then mommy slapping some petroleum jelly and braid the hair, and that was it. This happened twice every 2 weeks or 4 times a month, and for the most part the hair was always left dry as a chip and hard as a rock, right? So that I enjoyed my wash day as a child. Now what was wrong with that routine was that we forgot to moisturize the hair. We literally forgot to moisturize the hair, so the hair was left time and time again after every wash, just petroleum jelly and dry. Or rather, I should say, we forgot to lock the moisture in the hair. And so as soon as the hair got wet and dry, you know, in minutes, literally minutes, then the hair was back at square one. But this is where porosity comes in. What caused the hair to dry out so fast? It's because our hair is very porous. So what does that mean? Right, so based on my research, I found out that as we get older, the ridges on our hair shaft loosens. And this is due to chemical treatments, relaxing the hair, coloring the hair, or simply environmental factors or aging. It just loosens over time and makes the hair porous, more porous. That's good in some ways because it means that your hair absorbs moisture easily, which is good. That's what we want, right? But there's a negative side to this. So imagine you washing your hair and getting the waters in your hair and so on, and then it dries. You just air dry your hair. You don't put anything in it. When your hair gets dry, you know, I don't know about you, but my hair, when it gets dry, it's hard. It's really hard. And that's because it's losing so much water, more than what I even put in it. So this is a very useful information that we need to know, how porous our hair is, because that will help us build a routine for our hair regime. So you're gonna know if you're supposed to put more moisture, more conditioner, leave-in conditioner, more oil, because you know how fast your hair sucks the oil and how fast it will leave your hair. So I have a fun fact for you guys. Did you know that there is no such thing as a bad hair? There's no such thing as a bad hair. If the hair is dry, it's just dry, and you just need to moisturize it more often and as much as your hair needs moisture, right? So there's no such thing as bad hair. Don't let me hear you talk about bad hair anymore. So one tip on finding out if your hair is low porosity or high porosity is, this is of course I found on the internet, taking a strand of your hair in different places you can try, and just putting it between your index finger and your thumb and run upwards towards the root. And run your finger upwards towards the root. If you feel a lot of lumps and bumps, it means that your ridges there are a lot of opening. It means that there are a lot of opening and your hair is very porous. If it's nice and smooth, it means that your hair is not very porous. You have low porosity. If this works or not, for me, I can say for myself that kind of work, it kind of didn't work. But there's another technique to use, and it's to get a cup of water, take a few strands, 1 or 2, and put it in the cup of water. If the hair floats, it means one thing. If it sinks, it means another thing. Let me tell you what it means. I'll get back to you in a minute. So I'm back. According to my research, if the hair floats, you have low porosity. If the hair sinks, you have high porosity. And again, these techniques will only work if your hair is in its natural form without products and stuff on it, because of course if you have products and treatment on it, it's gonna influence the behavior of the hair. So that was the third thing I did when I was on the quest of getting to know my hair. How porous is it? Is it going to retain moisture? Is it going to lose moisture quickly? You know, do I need to put a lot of oil and moisturizer in it, or I can be moderate? So there's a way to fix, or there's a way to support high porosity hair. Yeah, so as I was saying, there's a way to fix high porosity hair, to lock the moisture in the hair. But you have to wait until the next video. You have to watch the next video to see that technique, and I'll do a live demonstration of my routine of how I retain moisture in my hair. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to share the video, to subscribe, and share the video with someone who may need it.